Hi, welcome to OTrading. Today, Monday, the 2nd of September 2019. I'm Mark, your host, and looking at the crypto price for the major coin, Bitcoin is now at $9,791. Ethereum is at $171. Litecoin is at $65. Monero $69. And Binance Coin is at $21. If we're looking at the news, currently, we learned that Russia is attracting a lot of investors around the world for its very low price in electricity, especially in Siberia. The city of Bakkt have a really large hydroelectric dam that offer very cheap electricity. This dam is reminiscent from the USSR, and a lot of industry around that are not used currently are perfectly suited for Bitcoin mining. Currently, Russia represents 10% of the consumption in electricity for the Bitcoin blockchain, for 7% of its hash power. China is the leading force in the Bitcoin blockchain with around 60% of the hash power. Moving to Cointelegraph, we learned that in Argentina, the government just imposed a limit of $10,000 to its citizens in the amount of American dollars they can hold. This limit is also applying to any corporation and is meant to stabilize the economy of Argentina. Currently, in the last month only, the pesos has lost 34% of its value against the American dollars. Tim Draper, one of the most famous investors in the cryptocurrency world, met in March Mauricio Macri, the president of Argentina, to talk about using Bitcoin as the national currency. Still on Cointelegraph and still in South America, in Venezuela, the website Local Bitcoin that allow users to exchange Bitcoin in person, register is second biggest week of transaction happening in Venezuelan pesos, an increase of 48% in a week. Currently, Venezuela is also having a huge hyperinflation crisis. We estimate that during the last 12 months, the inflation have rise of 265,000%. The government is strongly suggesting the use of the petrodollar, a cryptocurrency made by the government, but sanctions around the world are not helping this. On CoinDesk, we learned that Telegram will accept any application written in Solidity for its blockchain, the Ton, meaning that any application already developed for Ethereum will now be able to work on its blockchain. That is still in development phase. The beta is released already, but its actual announcement is expected before the 31st of October. This opened the door to a lot of application for its blockchain. On Twitter, we learned that Travala, a website for booking vacation around the world, now accepts Monero as one of its native payment options. Travala is a website allowing to book vacation in 210 different countries for more than 565,000 property around the world. Hotel, hostels, villa and apartment are available at normally a low cost of 15% cheaper than comparable traveling website. And on CoinDesk, finally, we learned that Bakkt Warehouse is set to open operation the 6th of September. Remember, Bakkt will be the first future that will allow you to get paid in Bitcoin at the term of your future, and is run by the same company that's behind the New York Stock Exchange, the Intercontinental Exchange. Bakkt will be available for American trader from the 23rd of September. This concludes our first episode of the week. Thank you to have watched OTrading. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm making video on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And have a great week. Keep on banking on Bitcoin.